Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Alright, so in this video I want to talk to you about why business owners will pay you stacks of money, racks of money, and just more stacks of money. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Kostulas and I make videos on entrepreneurship and health and fitness. So if you guys are into that type of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get into it. Business owners will pay you to manage their social media, their paid advertising, their websites, anything that has to do with their online marketing for one simple fact. It's extremely time consuming. Business owners are business owners for a reason. They want to hire employees, they want to hire workers, right? I just got a real estate agent that literally knows how to set up a Facebook ad better than me for real estate agents. He's literally getting leads for $2 and he literally showed me his steps. But here's the thing, he still wants to hire me to do his social media because it gets rid of him having to do it. Like, people will outsource anything. I'm one of those people. I want to outsource some of my work. I want to outsource some of my regular posting. You know what I'm saying? Like posting on Instagram or posting on a Facebook group. I'd rather have that outsourced. I'd rather, make the content, right? Take the pictures, write the copy, but just have someone post it for me. Just doing online marketing is extremely time consuming for a business owner because, they're focused on their own business. They're focused on whatever it is that they're trying to do for themselves. You know what I'm saying? So if you can walk in there, no, mind you, it's not time consuming once you know what you're doing. So let me give you an example. So say you are learning math, right? You're learning algebra and it's kind of hard in the beginning and you're like, fuck, like this equation's tough. But if you were to keep practicing that same equation, like that same formula over and over and over for the next month, you don't think you'd be able to be pretty good and pretty efficient at solving one of those problems pretty fast? It took you a while in the beginning, but once you learn the steps and you learn the reason why everything works together, then it then becomes easy for you. So, if you can learn how to help one client, you can learn how to help 10. And business owners do not want to do this on their own. It's very time consuming for them because they're running their business, they're running all their stuff, they're trying to, manage everything, right? And they have a bunch of employees. So hiring a social media advertiser is just a no-brainer, especially if you know what you're doing. Now let me just give you guys some context of just how powerful and how in demand you are for, being a social media marketer for a business. So let me go back to that real estate agent that we were talking about. He was like, all right, dude, I'll give you like $100 ad spent. Just like do what you can, right? You don't have to copy the same exact ad that I did. You could just, come up with something on your own and try to wow me that way. And I was like, no, dude, listen, we're on the same team here. If you have an ad that works, holy crap, be grateful for it because they're hard to come by. And once you get that working ad, it's important that you duplicate it and you double down on it to get the most out of that ad and get the most possible leads out of that ad. So what I told him, I was like, listen, why would I go out of my way to make you a new ad when you have an ad that you spent literally $25 on and you got 50 leads? You got 50 leads from it. So like, why do anything different? Like double down on that ad. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just the mindset that I have for him. And he was like, well, like, if all I got to do is duplicate the ad, like, what do I really need you for? And I explained it to him. I'm like, listen, bro, like, we are on the same team. I'm not going to tell you something that I wouldn't want somebody to tell me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand in my own world of advertising that if you have an ad that's working, don't fix what ain't broken. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep going with it. This is how you're going to expand your business and, ultimately get the goals that you want. I'm working every single day to find, a working YouTube ad for my own business to blow up my channel. I'm working every day to find a working Instagram ad to blow up my Instagram, a working ad to blow up my Facebook group, to blow up my emails. You know what I'm saying? So like, I can understand the value and the importance of finding that working ad, because the same way I'm trying to find emails of entrepreneurs who are, you know, interested in, you know, social media marketing, entrepreneurship just in general, I know that he's looking for people who are trying to sell their house, right? And if he has 50 leads from an ad that he only spent $25 on, holy crap, like double down on that ad. So I was telling him, I was like, yo, like, I will take that whole online marketing burden off of you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to worry anymore. You know, I can do all of it. I will make sure that the ad that you have right now is getting you more leads, right? And I will do my best to be on your team. I want you to understand exactly what I'm doing to help you, and I want you to be able to just outsource whatever you don't want to do to me. So send me pictures, send me ads that you'd like me to run. Give me an ad budget. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what people want. They want to have that right hand guy, like that guy that they could just call or text at any second and be like, yo, what should I do about this? Can you post that? Like, that's what they're looking for. Easy, quick, and efficient. And people who know exactly what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's worth it for him to hire me, even though he knows how to get the results on his own. But once you know how to get the results on your own, I plan on hiring out. You know what I'm saying? The second I get working ads, I'm gonna hire that out to somebody else so I don't have to do it, because at the end of the day, your time is more valuable than money. I'm telling you, it's way more valuable than money, because if he's spending, I don't know, a couple hours focusing on the online marketing, that's taking away from calling those leads and actually turning those leads into sales. So when you look at it from that perspective, I'm saving him hours of online marketing and trying to figure stuff out, because I can literally just explain to him exactly what's happening, why things are happening, analytics, everything. You know what I'm saying? As long as it works, it works. And if he has leads and all he focuses on is hitting them up and focusing on sales and getting people to, you know, come to him and close clients, it's like, that's what's going to ultimately make him the most money, because he has the most time to focus on what's most important for his business. Okay? Like, I don't want to be working on all of my social media advertising clients, like, content all month. What I want to do is outsource it to somebody and be like, yo, I want these specific posts, post on this specific day. You come up with the ad copy. I trust you. That's it. And then I want to just email all of the content to him and then not even worry about it. Have it completely outsourced so I can focus on the most important thing for my business, which is selling, which is going to restaurants, real estate agents, bars, gyms, auto dealerships, dentists, doctors, physical therapists, going into these places or calling these places and finding out, yo, is a business owner there? Like, find out what their names are, and real simply just be like, yo, is John there? Just like, really, like, you're trying to not come off as a salesman, but come off as somebody who's really looking out for the well-being of this other business owner. You know, once you have that business owner on the phone, it's just a matter of time until you get that meeting, you close that client. And that's what I want to focus my energy on. And that's why business owners will hire you, even if they already have it figured out, even if they already have a social media guy. You know, if you can run the paid ads, and take away the burden of just doing online marketing for a business owner, they will pay you even if they already have the results. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm coming out with new videos daily. Make sure you guys subscribe. Each and every day I'm coming out with an entrepreneurship or fitness video. So if you guys are into that type of stuff, make sure you hit that post notification bell. Okay, so I'm also running a contest. I appreciate you guys watching throughout the entire video. What I want is for you guys to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and leave a dope comment. If you do all of those three and you turn on your YouTube DMs, I'm going to randomly select somebody to get into my social media advertising course absolutely free. You know, I want you guys to come to my channel and go, word, Nick's gonna give me value. You know what I'm saying? You don't even need my course. If you subscribe to the channel and you watch all of my videos, everything's in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be value first, and I want you guys to trust me. I want you guys to come onto my channel and go, word, like, Nick's gonna give me something dope today. Nick's gonna give me some golden nugget today. You know, the course is there for structure. If you're somebody who really wants structure and just wants a map laid out, the course is there. But if you can't afford the course, the YouTube channel is free. All you got to do is subscribe, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and make sure you tune in tomorrow. Deuces.